Alright guys, we're going to random this here 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the order. Don't forget our special, 6 to 6:30. We're giving away a 1970 Clemente, giving away a 1964 Hank Aaron Willie Mays Topps the NL, and a 2001 Topps Archives baseball spot. For every $50 you spend at checkout, you can't combine. It has to be a minimum of $50. You get a free spot in a free entry into our 1952 Top Set Break spot. We're giving one of those away at 11 o'clock Eastern. Here we go. 97 Finest Basketball. This is a fun break. We're going for some Duncan action here. Jordan Duncan. I haven't opened one of these boxes in years. I opened so many of these. A lot of fun. Okay, spot 1, Edgar. Good luck. Tim Thomas was a card back in the day. Eddie Jones. Oh, man. Spot 2, Edgar. Good luck, Edgar. Going for Duncan. McGrady, Hall of Famer. There you go. Little Tracy McGrady, rookie. Get that sleeved up. Guys, bringing back a lot of memories. Just the smell of these. I remember what they smelled like. McGrady rookie. Here we go. Spot 3. Jesse, good luck. Larry Johnson, Ray Allen and Bose. $6:30 or 6 to 6:30, guys. Don't forget the giveaways. You got 12 minutes. Sal, spot 4. I don't remember normally getting rookies on top. Brevin Knight. There are so many good cards in this pack, in these packs back in the day. Right now we're looking for some Jordan. We're looking for Duncan. Two rookies, Donald Foyle and Charles Smith. Edgar, good luck. Yeah, Randy, you know, these things, they smelled. There's an interesting smell here. Okay, nothing in. Oh, we got a Jordan on the bottom. Alright, let's leave that out. Gotta love a Jordan. This is pack 6, so Joshua gets the Jordan. Seven, Edgar. This is a thicker pack. Hopefully there's an embossed in here. No. Maurice Taylor. Refractor. Glenn Robinson. Big dog. At spot 7. Guys, you got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes to get into our 6 to 6:30 special or giveaway. Every spot you buy, you enter into a drawing to win a 64 Mays Aaron Topps in the NL, 70 Topps Clemente, or a 2001 Topps Archives baseball. Free spot. All you gotta do is buy a single spot. You got an entry between 6 and 6:30 tonight. Good old checklist and a bunch of commons. Austin Crozier. Ooh. Spot 9, Edgar. Good luck. I'll definitely show, no problem. Got here a Jim Jackson. Used to date, what was it, Tony Braxton? Were they fighting? Jason Kidd fighting over Jim Jackson over Tony Braxton, I think it was. Josh Simon, spot 10. We got here Bobby Jackson. Got a gold refractor, guys. Oh, nope, just a regular refractor. Look gold, look gold. Jerry Stackhouse. Jerry Stackhouse. Great player. Two great players at the time, Stackhouse, Glenn Big Dog Robinson, both refractors. Back then, would have been pretty good. Today, not so much. Spot 11 coming up. You got 8 minutes left, guys, to get in on this 6:30 to 6 to 6:30 special. Remember, we're giving away 3 items. 2001 Archives set for packs, box, whatever it is. 2001 Archives spot. So it's a pack and a box break. 1970 Clemente, 64 Topps Aaron Mays card. And we got here our first Tim Duncan rookie. And that card belongs to Sal. Congrats, Sal. I think this is Sal. Spot 11. Yep. Sal gets the first Duncan rookie. Man, this used to be like a $25 card. Hall of Famer Tim Duncan rookie card. Was hoping for a refractor. Congrats, Sal. Seven minutes left. 7 minutes left. Get your spot purchases in now. Between 6:30, 6 and 6:30. 6 and 6:30, we're giving away a 64 Topps in the NL Mays Aaron, 70 Clemente, and the 2001 Topps Archives baseball spot. And we got here a finest rare, Alonzo Mourning. That belongs to Josh Simon. Congrats, Josh. First half of the box done. 1 Duncan and 2 refractors and 1 rare. So hopefully there's something sneaking in here that brings some excitement. Spot 13 goes out to Edgar. Good luck, Edgar. Austin Crozier, Scottie Pippen, uncommon. Here we go. Spot 14, Josh. Good luck. This has got a bunch of cards in here. Another Duncan. Got a Duncan. Is this another Glenn Robinson? But it's not a refractor. Spot 14, Josh Simon gets the second Duncan of the night. Oh my God, who was that? Fred, you savage. Oh my god, like you're Fred Savage. 80s reference.
If that was me, you would have heard next county.
I would have. So it wasn't you? He was blaming you, Stuart was blaming you? Like it. Love it a lot. Spot 15, Sal. Guys, we got 5 minutes left. Get your spot purchases in now. 5 minutes. This looks like a pretty bum pack here. Yep. Big Country Reeves is in here, though. You got gas? In your car? Oh, guys, Sal's going to walk away right now with probably all the prizes. You got 5 minutes. Get your spot purchases in now. Get them in. Jacques Vaughn. Good old Jacques V. Looks like this is a pretty stinky pack. That would be the case. Spot 16. 17. Josh, good luck. Anthony Parker. Remember this guy? Anthony Parker, Sixers. Oh, and he makes an appearance. Keith Van Horn.
Yeah.
There was a time where that card was as much as Duncan. Now it's a common. Keith Van Horn. Spot 18. Guys, get your spot purchases in. You only got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If all you gotta do is buy a spot, it could be a $3 spot, and you're entered into the drawing. We're gonna do it 6:30. 3 items. This is spot 18. This is Sal. Got Iverson.
It's been 100 feet
What's in here?
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
And don't forget, hey, Alan P's in the house. What up, Alan? Alan knows. Alan's like, yeah, man. Let me get in on some of this stuff. You got 4 minutes, guys. And by the way, for every $50 you spend, you get an entry into a drawing tonight. We're going to give away a 52 top set break spot at 11 o'clock. That's another good thing. Chauncey Billups rookie, likely a Hall of Famer, I think. What do you think, Fred? Chauncey Billups Hall of Famer?
No.
He's close. He won a whole bunch of championships, man.
Just not there. Just missed.
Think just missed?
Just missed.
We'll see.
Bernie Williams just missed.
Yeah, different though. And Bernie Williams won a batting title.
Not making a whole
I know. I love Bernie Williams. Though.
Larry Walker. Not making it.
He's close. He's getting much. He'll make it. Someone's gonna give him an entry. 3 minutes left, guys. Get your spot purchases in. 3 minutes left. We're on spot 20. And this is Edgar, and we got Antonio Daniels, Hall of Famer. No, I'm just kidding. Antonio D. What about Fred Savage?
He's tough. He plays tough defense.
Yeah, Jesse W. Spot 21. Lorenzen Wright. Rest in peace, Lorenzen Wright.
Seton Hall?
What's that?
Seton Hall? No.
No. I think I want to say he went to LSU. Did he go to LSU? Where'd he go? I don't know. Thomas D. Smart man. 3 minutes left, guys. All you gotta do is spend $3. You can buy an 89 score football pack spot if you want. All you gotta do is spend $3. You're in our drawing at 6:30. We got 2 minutes left. Spot 22, Edgar. As soon as I finish opening this box, we'll get it ready to go. We got a refractor in here. Good old Eddie Jones. Eddie Jones, spot 22. That's Edgar's. Eddie Jones, refractor. Good play with the Lakers and the Hornets. What's up, Alan? What's going on, man? I haven't opened any Bowman yet. What's up, Steve V? DJ Venom. I'm gonna open some of that probably this week. I'm gonna buy a little bit. I love the 69 design. Oh, we almost had a huge card, guys. Almost had a huge card. Still, die cut, embossed. Dennis Rodman. That's Edgar's. Guys, you got about 30 seconds left to get in to the break here, to the 6 to 6:30 giveaway. This was a potentially huge card if it was a refractor. Still probably a $8 to $10 card. Well worth the pack price. Last but not least, this is going out to Josh. Last spot. And we are almost closed, guys. We have like 10 seconds left. Get your purchases in now. Get your purchase in. We didn't do it yet, Steve. We're waiting for you, man.
You're gonna be busy because it's gonna be updated. Because you don't want to do this thing up here.
That's it. We're done on the finest. And we have about 10 seconds left to get your last purchase in if you want to get entered into the 6 to 6:30. We'll do the countdown, and then Robert, we're closed. All right, guys, so we're closed on the 6 to 6:30. Stevie V got his purchase in, so he's eligible. Waiting for Leighton to bring in the 6:30 to 7. Let me get some rolls in here. Think Alan might be owed a roll. Let me see. Oh boy, where are we for Alan today? Only today.